Hey there! Welcome back to Budget Buying, your go-to place for smart tools that make your work easier and more efficient. Today we are exploring the best thermal imaging camera that helps you see what the naked eye cannot. If you are looking for precision and clarity in one device, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Today, we are talking about the Tooltop ET693C thermal imaging camera, a powerful handheld device designed for accurate and detailed thermal detection. The Tooltop ET693C thermal imaging camera combines both infrared and visible light imaging, which means you can capture temperature data along with clear visual details at the same time. This makes it much easier to understand what is happening in complex situations. One of the standout features of the Tooltop ET693C thermal imaging camera is its 256 by 192 infrared sensor paired with a 1080p visible light camera. This combination gives you sharp and detailed images that clearly show temperature differences. With its Super IR technology, the resolution can be enhanced up to 512 by 384, allowing you to see even finer details that would normally be missed. Another helpful feature is the laser positioning system. The Tooltop ET693C thermal imaging camera allows you to quickly point at a specific target and get accurate readings without guessing. This saves time and improves precision, especially when you need fast results. The camera also supports capturing both photos and videos. This means you can document your findings and review them later whenever needed. With PC software support, you can even transfer images in real time and store your data for deeper analysis, making your workflow smoother and more organized. Flexibility is another strong point of the Tooltop ET693C thermal imaging camera. It offers multiple imaging modes, including infrared only, visible light only, and a fusion mode that combines both. This allows you to choose the best view depending on your task. On top of that, it includes 9 color palettes, giving you better control over how temperature differences are displayed. For long usage, the Tooltop ET693C thermal imaging camera comes with a built-in 2600 mAh battery. This provides extended operation so you can work longer without interruption. It also includes 8 gigabytes of internal memory, giving you enough space to store images and videos without worrying about running out of storage. The device is designed to be user-friendly for people around the world. With support for 11 languages, the Tooltop ET693C thermal imaging camera ensures that users from different regions can navigate the system easily and comfortably. In terms of design, the Tooltop ET693C thermal imaging camera feels compact and solid in hand. It is built for portability while still offering advanced features, making it easy to carry and use in different environments. Here is the exciting part. If you want a reliable tool that gives you clear thermal and visual insights, this is a great option to consider. Check the price link in the description and do not forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more useful products. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.